Well, growing up, I was always a fan of my grandfather's movies. Not knowing na akala ko regular lang siya na artista, but I didn't know that he was a man of a lot of talents. He was also a writer, a director, and an actor, of course, and eventually he became a public servant. So, on my grandfather's deathbed, panahon na yun nung mamamatay na siya, the promise I kept to him was, sabi ko, Daddy, I will make sure na malaman ng mga kabataan ang mga ginawa mong mga yung mga ginawa mong mga pelikula. I promise you that the future generation will find out who you are. And what way to reach the future generation than to pretty much toys. And this is what ito yung unang project natin together with Gary Rojas na gumagawa. He's also a toy maker. Then he pitched this toy na concept ni Pepeng Corriente, and we're like, okay, sige. Eventually comics, then eventually we go to the toy route, but this time around the toy went first. But we'll be making more stuff like this, lalo na para ma-showcase natin yung legacy din na ginawa ni Ramon Revilla Sr. in regards to his craft as a filmmaker.
Kung
Yes.
ilang years o ilang months pinag-usapan to ng inyong family, of course including Senator Bong and the toy designer nito, Pepeng Corriente toy.
Well, this one has been at least like a year in the works. Yeah, more or less a year. So, yun, medyo itong toy con, hindi naman din namin naasahan na makakasali kami dito. And yun nga, nakasama kami dito, and yun, we're able to showcase Pepeng Corriente. So today, for this toy con, we will be releasing itong 7-inch natin na resin na toy na 10 piraso lang muna. Then eventually, we'll release other colorways as we go along. Oo, so na...
And nung una nakita nila yung design and then yung mismong toy mismo, anong reaction ng buong Revilla family or those involved dun sa discussion?
Well, nung unang pinakita sa akin yun, parang ako, wow. Medyo na luha-luha din ako na parang, only my grandfather can see this. Then now, nandito na-showcase na natin. And yun nga lang, I wish he was here to actually see it. I'm sure siguro matutuwa yun na someone nakaisip na gumawa ng toy version niya. And now, to be able to showcase this to people here, yung majority naman na nakakilala sa kanya dito are the older generations, yung mga nakapanood talaga ng movies na ilan na lang din kasi nakapanood ng mga pelikula niya eh. So usually yung mga nakapanood din are the people who were around during the 1980s, 90s, so yun.
Last na lang po, kasi of course we know the legacy of your lolo, Ramon Revilla Sr.
Yeah.
Ano ang gusto mong maiparating with this toy sa kanyang, ano gusto parang may bigay ng legacy sa kanya to the younger generation? Kasi, bigyan na sabi mo nga, hindi na nga napapanood yung younger generation ng mga pelikula niya. Anong gusto mong impart na nitong laruan na to sa legacy ng iyong lolo?
Well, with this one naman, ito na lang. I totally believe that my grandfather was a creative guy. The fact that he wrote his movies, he wrote, he directed, and he acted on his movies, and he was also the producer. So yung sa akin, he was never afraid to try. One thing that I could say to this generation is don't be afraid to try. Parang minsan tayo, kinakabahan tayo lagi, parang we get so anxious na parang, hey, what will people think? Parang don't think about that. Parang there's only one way to find out. Subukan mo muna. Let your creativity flow, and you'll never know. And I think that's yun din yung sa grandfather ko. Sa kanya, when it comes to film, him being an actor, nilakasan niya talaga loob niya, and kita naman natin kung ano nagawa niya. So, we started with Nardong Putik, nagkaroon ng Pepeng Agimat, nagkaroon ng Pepeng Corriente, and a bunch of other characters in the Agimat universe. So, yun. You'll never know. Just try. Diba?